Hello everybody, Fuckman35 here. Sorry for the lack of uploads. I mean, I'm trying my best, but animation is pretty hard and takes a while. But, I didn't want to leave you guys without anything, so I decided that I would show you what I have so far. Remember, this is only a WIP, and the full animation will be coming out soon. Thank you for your patience.
Where's the buttons?
Oh no, they installed voice recognition technology in this lift. I heard about this.
Voice recognition technology? In a lift? In Scotland? You ever tried voice recognition technology?
No.
They don't do Scottish accents.
11.
Could you please repeat that?
11!
11. 11.
11!
Could you please repeat that?
11.
Whose idea was this? You need to try an American accent. 11! 11!
That sounds Irish, not American.
What, doesn't it? 11!
Where in America is that? Dublin?
I'm sorry. Could you please repeat that?
Try an English accent, right? 11. 11.
You for the same part of England as Dick Van Dyke?
Listen, yours then, smart ass.
Please speak slowly and clearly.
Smart ass.
11!
I'm sorry. Could you please repeat that?
11! If you don't understand the lingo, away back home to your own country.
Ooh, is that talk now, is it? Away back to your own country?
Oh, don't start, Mr. Bleeding Heart. How can you be racist to a lift?
Please speak slowly and clearly.
11. 11. 11. 11.
You're just saying it the same way.
I want to keep saying it till I understand Scottish, alright? 11. 11. 11. 11.
I'll just say it's anywhere, you cow. Just open the doors.
This is a voice-activated elevator. Please state which floor you would like to go to in a clear and calm manner.
Calm. Where's that coming from? Why is it telling people to be calm?
Because they knew they'd be selling this to Scottish people who'd be going, I'm from Nut City.